We are brought to you today by HomeServe. Now, HomeServe is a home repair service company. Ken Kogan is from Suffolk Plumbing in the Isle of Long, Suffolk, Long Island.
Yes.
Have you ever gone in to repair a leak and had to gut the whole house?
Yes. I mean, the simplest of leaks, if you're not home, we were talking earlier about a frozen pipe, and
I remember.
yeah,
I'll share that story with you.
I had one coming down the stairs.
yeah.
It was a loosh.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
But
yeah. So I was a young apprentice. We get a call to go to a house, and I come and we see water frozen down the front stairs. So I'm the apprentice. I'm the boss's kid. Hey, they give me a pick and shovel, chip the ice away because we only had the key to the front door. And as I'm chipping, I hear boom inside the building, and finally get the door chipped away. The door comes away, and I go in, and I see the stairs here, and I see a wall, and I look, and there's the far side is a radiator, and I look, and there's a shard from the cast iron radiator 25 feet away has come flying across and stuck in the wall. It could have been like shrapnel. This was my Vietnam. I survived.